We had a look in terms of how we can print some information, a little bit around, we discussed around variables. So yeah, that's how it was within last day. So today's agenda is to focus around variables. So let me go on top. So just to give you a kind of a background, so why we need variable, or what sort of functionality it has. So I have, by the way, I have mentioned this example in this notebook, so you can refer it later. So let's say if I give you I take any value as an x, and I give it a value 5 right now, and then later I decide to give it a value to 10 or 20, maybe anything. Okay, so can both statement be true? I mean, can I say like the x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 10? I mean, the both statement are true. No, right? So what this behavior, initially I put it as a 5 and then later I put it as a 10. What this behavior is telling us? This behavior is telling us that x is something which can vary over the time, which can change its value. Okay, it could be 5, it could be 10, it could be any number. Okay, so from that perspective we come to an conclusion, or we thought an idea of a variables whose value will going to change over the time. So in Python or any real life programming, when we create some sort of container or some sort of a you can say variable or x, which can possess a personality or an information which can change over the time, so we will use, at that place we will use a variable. Okay, so you can think as an analogy, like variables are kind of a nicknames. So even for your home you might have a salt container, a sugar container, you can put a kind of a label to that, right? So you can assume like that.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.